One common problem that happens if you don't point the remote at the TV and leave it pointed for long enough is you'll get the television working, but you won't have any sound. To fix that, grab the universal remote and hit the three little lines in the bottom right-hand corner, and it'll say help. Select help, and it's going to be fixing our activity. And it says, did that fix the problem? Well, we don't have any sound, so I'm going to say no. Is the TV on? Yes. Is the amp on? No, it is not on. Is the Samsung amp now on? And you can see the little light showing up on the bottom, and say yes. Did that fix your problem? Yes.